In today's video, we are going to show you how to change your invoice template in Xero so you can customize how your invoices look and match your brand. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials, and then once inside the dashboard, I want you to hover on the top left corner where you can see your profile name. There is a drop-down menu. I want you to click the settings. All you have to do is scroll down until you find the invoice settings, because this is where all your invoice templates live. Okay? Now, you have four sections here. You have the new branding theme if you wanted to create a new theme or layout for your invoice. You have the default settings, the payment services, and the invoice reminders. Now, the option on the other hand gives you a drop-down menu where you can preview and edit the invoice theme. Okay, so I want you to click on it. You will be forwarded to the editor wherein you can choose and update all of the details here. You can choose a mailing address instead of the physical address. If you don't want it, you can choose none. Okay? And you can add more details along the way. Like for example, if you want to add a business details like TIN, email, phone number, customer details, brand and styling, which is a perfect opportunity for you to create or add your logo to reflect your identity. And if you want to change the brand color, you can do that as well. Okay, you can choose the logo position. Is it going to be like left, center, right? It's up to you. But for now, I'm going to choose the right section. If you want to add more content along the way, like for example, a description, you can put it here. Now, once you are happy, all I have to do is also check the intuitiveness using the desktop view and the mobile view. Once you are happy, I want you to click the Save Theme. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to change an invoice template in Xero. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.